Day 38 today, and today I will add food scrapes for the second time, and it's gonna be the last time because in 2 months I'll be going away, so everything has to finish within the 2 months. So the last time I added food scrapes, I have my little composting diary here, on day 12, and for about 10 days after that there was quite bad smell. I think that was probably because of the yogurt that I added, and it was quite moist as well. But after 10 days the smell improved. Now it smells perfectly fine. The only thing is, in the meantime I got some grubs in it. I checked online, they're fine, they are helping to speed up the composting process. It's just that they look disgusting. Here are the ingredients for today. So, dry leaves, shredded paper, food scrapes, quite a lot of them, and this time I kept eggs separately, so in the end I just crunched them to the very fine pieces. So this is pretty much it, and this is going all together into the box. This is what it all looks like right now, and the smell is pretty good. I'm gonna show you the grubs now. Okay, so here's one right there. Yeah, that's what they look like, but apparently they are not bad at all. So everything is turning quite black now and smells really like ground, like forest kind of thing. It looks pretty good. Okay, so day 91 today since I started the whole process, and on day 60, so exactly 2 months, well, 1 month ago I stopped adding any food. So I was just turning it every few days, and it smells really nice. It looks pretty good. Now I would say the only mistake that I made was that I actually used a lot of like branches, for example, like this. So they never decomposed. I would say the best would be to use only leaves, not to use sort of any branches. Because I think in that case the texture will be much better. Also, for example, the mango seed obviously never got decomposed, so I'll have to throw this away. There's also avocado, half of avocado seed, never got decomposed. But all in all, it looks really good. Like it's fairly dry at the moment. This actually pretty much finished even like 20 days ago. It was more or less done, because the more it was getting decomposed, the other food that I was adding, the process was just getting faster and faster. The only thing is I have to go away, so I can't continue this for another few months. But basically this is the final product. That's not as perfect as I have expected it to be, but mainly because of these little branches that I put in, and they never got decomposed. This was just the last tissue that I put in, and that's gonna get done very soon anyway. So that's it, 90 days, 3 full months, and number of kilos of food went in, and it all smells very, very nice. That's it, it's all done. In the very end, I just wanted to mention a couple of things. First one is about the grubs that I had some midway into the process. What happened is they just gradually disappeared, really. The second thing is I live in Sydney, Australia, and this was all filmed from beginning of February till the end of April last year. So it was summer going into autumn in Sydney, which means it was really warm. So I would expect in some cooler climates that the process would probably be a bit slower. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.